thought we will inaugurate the lab and give a small air show which we put up for all of you. I hope you guys all enjoy. And our target should be today that person is doing the air show. Next year your students should do the same kind of air show. So please follow.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock.
Yeah.
You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.